You think studying hard is the answer? Wrong. Most students lose 50 plus mark without knowing. In the next few minutes, I will show you the exact mistake that turns 300 potential into 200 something results and how to fix them before your JAMB exam. Stay with me because your JAMB score depends on this information I'm about to give to you. Listen to me carefully. I am not here to kudo you. I am here to make you better with preparation. I have taught students who went from panic to 320 plus by changing strategy, not studying 24/7. If you are serious about JAMB, this video will save you weeks of wasted effort and time. I will break down 10 mistakes into simple actions you can start doing today. And one bonus trick by the end of this video, most tutors won't tell you. Now let's look at what the first session, which is called the exam reality check. I'm going to give you three points in the what first session. Now, but before I continue, please understand that if you are preparing for JAMB in 2026 and you don't have someone that is coaching you or you don't have someone that is guiding you, understand that you are doing it all wrong. You need a tutor who have helped a lot of students like you to score 200 plus. Now, let me say this here, my class is not free. I'm not doing free class. If you're interested to join our class, the first 3 months is 29,000. Please, only the interested students should send me a message for this class. So please don't come to my DM and say that you don't have money or I should add to a free class. We no longer do free classes. Now we only take serious students who knows that they have tasks ahead and are willing to pay for this class. So take maths, chemistry, physics, and biology. Right? Now, to get more details about the class and want to make payments, send me a message on WhatsApp. Right? So let's get into what the first point. Now, the first point is that you won't use scientific calculator. If you are still training like your calculator is a safer net, you are training wrong. JAMB expects mental calculator, quick fraction reduction, estimation, and simple logic. And let me give you an analogy here. Like practicing football using bicycle, it becomes useless in the field of play. So that is why you must always practice without using calculator. And in our class, we do this thing a lot. We teach our students how to do simple calculation without using scientific calculator. Very important. Please, I hope you take note of this. Continuing to understand here is this. JAMB cover the entire syllabus. That small topic is where examiner hide marks. You ignore it, you hand away 5 plus questions. A single boring topic might have like 4 or 5 questions that can push you to score 300. Now that is why in our class we cover the entire JAMB syllabus. Now if you are preparing for JAMB examination and you don't cover the entire JAMB syllabus, understand that you are doing it wrong. Don't say this topic is not important, right? Another thing I want to share with you is that now some students cover some topics and they don't cover some topics. You must cover the entire JAMB syllabus. That was number 2. Number 3, JAMB is speed and accuracy game. This is not slow, perfect essay. It is sprint interval. Speed without accuracy wastes time, and accuracy without speed leaves some question unanswered. So that is why you must practice speed tests all the time so that you can master this thing, so you can be able to solve questions in a short time. Now this is what we should also teach in our private class. Let's move to the next section of this video, which is going to be interface, practice, and past question. So the fourth one is the CBT interface can mess you up. Now you need to learn how to use JAMB CBT app. Like you need to learn the JAMB CBT interface because your exam is computer based, right? So you must stimulate yourself in the exam condition. You must understand navigation. You must know how to answer the question, click next, and the rest. That is why you need to keep on practicing with CBT. There are a lot of CBT apps you can download that will be of great help to you. Another thing I want to share with you is that use your system in your JAMB CBT practice, because large majority of students use phone in their practice. Now, but in your exam, you're not going to use phone. So I encourage you, whenever you are doing your CBT practice, always always use your system. Then download the app that is very, very close to the JAMB CBT. Now, if you want to do a review of CBT app that is fit for JAMB, leave at the comment section that you want do a review. Just leave that do a review of JAMB CBT app. Just leave at the comment section so that I will do review of CBT app you can download inside system you can use to practice. Now, because if you don't do this, if you don't master this aspect very well, it might affect you in day of the exam. So you don't have to be in that mess. Number 5, master past question, but don't depend on them. Patterns, not exact repeats. Past question teach structure, not answers. If you memorize question tests, the rewarded version will break you. So look at the action step you need to take. Use past question as pattern training. Extract the concept and make one-page summary per topics. And this is very, very important. One of the mistakes large majority of students make is that they use past question for their study. They don't cover the core topics, and that is why they fail. So if you are watching this video and you are using only past question to study, you are doing it wrong. That is why you want to join our class. Now, let me say this again. It's very, very important I say this. Now, if you want to join our private class is 29,000 for the first 3 months. Send me a message. We take maths, chemistry, physics, and biology. I will learn every single day. Just please don't come to my DM and stress me, right? Please, if you only the serious-minded student, you come to my DM. If you are really serious, make a payment and join our class. You don't have time to read. You don't have time to read everything last month. Last month is equal revision and speed. New topic give diminishing return. It's like repainting a house the night before an inspection. And this is what you need to do here. Give to space revision plus daily time drilling in the last month. Let's move to the last session, which is language understanding and mindset. Any student think English language is optional. It is not. A weak English language drag your aggregate down. So this is what you need to do on a constant basis. Daily 20 minutes English drill. Comprehension plus vocabulary in a context. Learn exam style answering for comprehension. Number 8, understanding is greater than memorization. If you only cram formula or facts, rephrase question will trap you. Memorizing is building on sand, understanding is building on concrete. This is what you should do. Teach it back to someone. Explain topics to someone. So that is why in our class we have our group study for each of our students. Once you join our class, I want to group you into a study group and brainstorming session. So when you are going to join other students like you prepare for JAMB. Another good thing about our class here is that we do test every single week based on the topics to cover that week. Now, if you are really interested to join class, send me a DM or WhatsApp. Please understand that the price is 29,000 for 3 months. It's going to be of great help to you. Number 9 is negative mindset destroy focus. Walking to the exam or defeated is like starting a race with a sprinkled leg. This is what you need to do. Replace vague motivation with a ritualized confidence. Now, here are the things you need to do here. Number 1, a 3 minutes prep exam routine breathing. Number 2, 1 minute mentor. Walk through past success. 2 power questions you can answer confidently. Do this every mock. It trains your brain to become on the exam day. Number 10, exam strategy matter more than raw knowledge. Smart students know which question to skip and when. Knowledge is useless when you use it badly. These are the specific tactics you need to apply in the exam. Now the first one, first pass. Answer all the quick ones. Don't spend your time answering one by one. Therefore, go through all the question and answer the quick ones, the one you can easily answer. That is the first thing to know. Number two, mark and skip hard ones. Don't waste your time on them first. Use smart elimination method. Now, when a question is beginning to you, two options are usually useless. Eliminate those ones at. They focus on the two and pick the one that is likely to be the answer. Time checkpoints. Every 30 minutes, know the remaining question and time. We have come to the end of this video. If this video is helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. And if you want to join my private online class, send me a message. Please understand that if you are coming to my DM, make sure you are coming with your payment. It will I take 29,000 for just 3 months. And you're going to see benefits. We have a lot of testimonial from our students who are currently in the class, and we have helped a lot of students to score 300 and above in JAMB. So you'll be the next once you follow the right strategy we are going to give to you. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.